The overall goal of this procedure is to quantify the symbiotic phenotypes of Medicago truncatula plants inoculated with different mutant variants of the nitrogen-fixing bacterium Sinorhizobium meliloti using single-plant sterile microcosms made from standard laboratory plates. This is accomplished by first scarifying M. truncatula A17 seeds with acid and germinating the seeds on agar plates. The second step is to prepare single-plant sterile microcosms. Using a bent, hot spatula, notch each solidified plate and its lid. Closing the plate later will leave an oval hole in the side. Next, lay out individual M. truncatula seedlings on the microcosms, with the root tip contacting the agar, and the cotyledons and 0.5 centimeters of the shoot protruding out of the U notch in the plate. The final step is inoculation with S. meliloti, and incubation of the plates as foil-wrapped stacks in a lighted growth chamber. Ultimately, quantification of plant shoot length and weight and nodule type is used to show the relative symbiotic success of each S. meliloti strain or M. truncatula mutant.
The main advantage of this technique over other methods that allow continuous visual examination of root growth, like growth pouches and caissons, is that there's very little risk of cross-contamination of plants.